Simple Tricks of Maths by Mrs. Mukti Thakur. Today I will share you the tips and tricks to find the total number of outcomes or probability of the outcomes of n number of coins. Suppose if one coin is tossed, we will get two outcomes, that is heads and tails. When two coins are tossed, total number of outcomes are 4, that are head head, head tail, tail head and tail tail. What if 3 coins are tossed? Wait guys, I have a trick for it. The trick is 4 to 1. Confused right? Okay, let me explain you the trick. So when we toss 3 coins, so the total number of outcomes are 8. Now you would be wondering about what are that outcomes. So first step is write 4 heads and 4 tails separately. Step 2 is write 2 heads and 2 tails in front of heads and also write 2 heads and 2 tails in front of tails. Step 3 is write head tails alternately in a line. So what are the outcome? The outcomes are head head head, head head tail, head tail head, head tail tail, tail tail tail, tail tail head, tail head tail and tail head head. But how I am able to tell the total number of outcomes? Do you wanna know the secret? So guys, the secret is this formula 2 to the power n, where n means the total number of coin. Let's take an example. If 3 coins are tossed, then the total number of outcomes are 2 to the power 3, that is 8. So this is all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye guys.